everybody, and welcome to the party.
Hi, Mickey. What's the surprise?
The surprise? Well, you see, I invited some very special guests to today's castle party. They're gonna dream along with us.
That's the surprise?
McDonald, they're gonna bring their dreams along to share.
Actually, nobody believes in dreams anymore.
Oh, Donald, you mean you don't believe in dreams? Oh, why everyone believes in dreams. You see, that's the only way dreams can come true.
I bet all our pals out there believe in dreams, don't ya? What do you say, gang? Tell us your dreams real loud.
Did you say be a princess? Me too.
Hey, I've always wanted to be a pirate too.
Hot dog! You see, Donald, everybody has a dream. You just have to believe.